How to add new friends on WeChat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to add new friends on WeChat. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch WeChat application and make sure that you have signed into your account. At the bottom, you see different tab. Simply you need to navigate to the Contacts tab at bottom left corner of your screen. Now you can tap on New Friends at top of your screen. And here you can easily link your mobile number to find more friends, or you can tap on Add Contacts at top right. So after you have accessed your mobile contacts, you can easily access all of your friends or the mobile contacts who are available on WeChat. So you can easily tap on Add button next to it and then add them. You can tap on Send button to send friend request, and after they accept it, you can be friends on WeChat. You can even tap the search account or mobile number at top of your screen and enter the account or mobile number of that user whom you want to add friends on WeChat. And after that, you can easily send them the friend request. And once they accept your request, you can start chatting. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.